Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a password in 1Password. So if you no longer want to use a password in 1Password and you want to delete it, click the extension icon in your 1Password and you want to ensure that you select the vault that contains the password. Now, once you find those password credentials, you can go ahead and click on it, then click the three dots to the upper right, and here you'll find delete. You can click and delete to delete the password. If you just want to change it, you can click and change, and that's going to allow you to change it as well. Now, I want to show you how to do this from the web version. Once you're in the website itself of my.1Password, you can go ahead and choose the vault on the left side and find the vault that contains the credentials that you want to delete. For example, tested password here. Here, click on view, and so it's going to show me those credentials, or let's say those password credentials that I have, or logins that I have. Find the one that you want to delete, click on it, and here under upper right hand side you have the option to click on the three dots as well. Then click and delete from here as well. And so in this section you can delete it, but if you want to change it, you don't have the three dots, you don't have the change right here, but you have the edit right here, which is going to allow you now to change your credentials. And so that's it. That's how you can easily go ahead and delete passwords in, or the items, let's say, in 1Password. So click and delete and it's gone. And that's it, guys. Very easy, very simple.